In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Adobe Photoshop. If you spend long hours editing, a darker interface can reduce eye strain and help your images stand out against the background. The process is quick, and I'll walk you through it so you know exactly what to expect, whether you're on Windows or Mac OS. First, open Photoshop. You can launch it from your Start menu on Windows or the Applications folder on a Mac or wherever you keep your shortcuts. Give it a moment to load fully so all menus are available. Next, look to the very top of your screen for the main menu bar. On Windows, you'll click the Edit menu. On a Mac, you'll go to the Photoshop menu, which sits to the right of the Apple logo. Both routes lead to the same place, so choose the one that matches your system. From there, select Preferences and then choose Interface. This opens a dedicated window for how Photoshop looks and behaves visually. If you've never visited this area before, it's where you can adjust the look of panels, rulers, and other interface elements. We're focusing on the theme color, so the program feels easier on your eyes and more comfortable for long sessions. Inside the interface section, you'll see a color theme area with several small swatches arranged from light to dark. These are preset themes that instantly change the overall UI shade. To enable dark mode, click the darkest swatch, typically the one on the far right. As soon as you select it, you'll notice the window previews the change so you can see how panels, toolbars, and backgrounds will appear. This setting only affects the application interface. It won't alter your photos or color profiles, so your images remain exactly as they are. Once you're happy with the darkest theme, click OK to apply the change and close the Preferences window. Photoshop will now use the dark interface across your workspace, including panels like layers and properties, as well as the toolbar and menu highlights. If you ever want to try a slightly lighter dark gray, repeat the same path and choose one of the adjacent swatches. The same steps work on both Windows and Mac OS. That's all it takes. You've enabled dark mode in Photoshop, which can make editing more comfortable and help you focus on your work without the glare of a bright interface. Thanks for watching and enjoy.